So in the top right corner, we have the prompter button. So if we click here, similar to with our share view, we have a link that we can copy. And when you then open that in a new window, new tab, or on a tablet, for example, share this tab, there we go. We now have our prompter view. So very easy to set up because there's practically nothing to do. It's just sharing that link, opening it on your device that you are going to use as your prompter output. And then here in the top right corner, you can access all of your settings. So from here, you can immediately change your font size to adjust it to your needs. So depending on how far the screen is, how good the eyes are of the presenter, things like that, you can easily change that. You can change your aspect ratio. So depending on which type of screen you are using, if you use a mirroring system, you can do that as well. Change all sorts of spacings. And a very important one is the speed. So in our prompter, when you press, for example, the space bar, the prompter will start scrolling automatically at a speed that you can define. And that is this spacebar / presenter speed. So here again, you can adjust that to your specific needs. A very important one is that you can also choose your block visibility. So do you want to see all text blocks, maybe also certain cue blocks, maybe only the prompter text block, whatever you want for your specific project, you can select or deselect these different blocks. That will then update automatically. So if I were to show an EVS block, I immediately see my EVS blocks appear here. Then lastly, the last options here at the bottom. So with our Cuez prompter, we also support the use of Shuttle Express jog wheel. And that jog wheel has 7 different speeds that you can configure. So again, we give you all of these options to set these different speeds, and then you can use that jog wheel to immediately scroll at different speeds without having to open the settings and change the spacebar speed, for example. But you can just use the jog wheel with all of your different options. When you're done with your settings, simply close them, and then you can use your prompter.